In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 2FA in Adspower Account. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a second layer of security to your login. So even if someone knows your password, they still can't get in without a time-based code from your phone. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and it can save you from a lot of trouble down the road. Start by signing into your Adspower account, either in the browser client or through the dashboard. Once you're in, head to My Account and open Account Settings. Here, look for the Authenticator section. When you see the option labeled Click to Bind, go ahead and select it. Adspower will display a QR code. This is what connects your account to your Authenticator app. On your phone, open your preferred Authenticator app. Popular options include Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Use the app's scan feature to capture the QR code on your screen. If your camera has trouble focusing, bring the screen a little closer or increase the brightness so the code is easier to read. After scanning, your app will start generating 6-digit codes that refresh every 30 seconds. Next, check the inbox of the email address registered with your Adspower account. You'll receive a verification code there. Keep that email open and switch back to Adspower to enter two things: the email verification code you just received and the current code shown in your Authenticator app. Type both accurately. Remember, the Authenticator code changes frequently, so use the newest one. If a code fails, wait for the next cycle and try again. Once both codes are entered, click Bind or Confirm to complete the binding process. That securely links your Adspower account with your Authenticator app. After you've bound the Authenticator, go to Global Settings, then Account Security. Find the two-factor authentication option and turn it on. You'll see 3 security levels. Low will ask for 2FA only on new devices or after a long gap, about 90 days. Medium prompts on new devices or after 30 days, which is a good balance for most users. High requires 2FA at every login for maximum protection. Choose the level that fits your workflow and security needs. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your phone's time is set to automatic so your codes stay in sync, and keep access to your registered email, since Adspower will use it for verification. That's it. Your account now has stronger protection with 2FA enabled.